Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited that you've joined us. And if you've been watching for a while, you already know how much I love diving deep into the world of luxury vehicles. But today, we're taking that passion to an entirely new level. Because we're not just talking about a car or an SUV. We're stepping into the world of rolling luxury with the all-new 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. And trust me, this isn't your typical RV. This is Mercedes redefining what it means to travel in first-class comfort, style, and technology, all while carrying the iconic three-pointed star. Let's start with first impressions, because wow, the exterior design of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is something straight out of a futuristic dream. At first glance, it carries that signature Mercedes elegance, but on a much grander scale. The front fascia has that unmistakable Mercedes DNA. A sleek chrome grille that seems to flow seamlessly into adaptive LED matrix headlights. The body lines are smooth and sculpted, making this massive vehicle look aerodynamic and almost athletic. You can tell Mercedes engineers didn't just want to build something functional. They wanted it to look beautifully functional. The proportions are balanced, the surfaces are clean, and even small details like the flush-mounted door handles and the panoramic roof panels give it that crafted by perfectionists vibe. From the side, you see how massive yet graceful this thing really is. The 22-inch alloy wheels, the chrome-trimmed windows, and the LED running lights that extend across the length of the vehicle. They all add to its visual drama. Even the rear is a design statement, featuring a wide LED light bar, active air vents, and an automatic tailgate that opens with just a gesture. And since this is Mercedes, it's not just about looks. The body uses lightweight aluminum panels combined with carbon-reinforced segments to keep the weight down and the efficiency up. It's an engineering masterpiece that blends performance and luxury into a single, elegant form. But if the exterior impresses you, the interior is where your jaw will truly drop. Open those sliding doors, and you step into a world that feels like a five-star suite on wheels. The first thing you notice is the ambient lighting. It's customizable in 64 colors, setting the perfect mood whether you're cruising through the city or parked by a lakeside at sunset. The seats are wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather, and the wood veneers and brushed aluminum trims give off that unmistakable Mercedes luxury. Everything feels precise, tactile, and purposefully designed. The layout is open and incredibly spacious. You've got a full living area with a retractable 50-inch OLED display, surround sound speakers from Burmester, and hidden wireless charging pads built right into the tables. The driver's cabin feels more like a command center, with a panoramic digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into one curved glass surface. It's all powered by the latest MBUX system, which understands natural voice commands. Say something like, "Hey Mercedes, make it cozy," and it will automatically adjust the temperature, lighting, and even your seat massage settings. Now move a bit further inside and the luxury just keeps coming. There's a mini kitchen equipped with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine that greets you with a perfectly brewed espresso every morning. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious too, with heated floors, rainfall shower, and real marble finishing. Yes, real marble, not imitation. And then at the back, you get a cozy bedroom suite featuring a king-size bed, customizable lighting, and an automatic privacy shade system. The entire interior is designed for seamless comfort, giving you the feeling that you're in a luxury apartment that just happens to have wheels. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this motorhome doesn't just sit pretty, it performs. Mercedes has equipped the 2026 Motorhome with a hybrid V8 powertrain that delivers over 600 horsepower. It combines raw combustion power with electric efficiency, giving you incredible acceleration for its size and near-silent electric cruising when you want peace and quiet. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts based on road conditions, so even when you're driving over rough terrain, the cabin feels stable and smooth, like you're gliding instead of driving. What's even more impressive is how much tech assists you behind the wheel. There's advanced driver assistance with level 3 autonomy, meaning it can handle highway driving, lane changes, and even traffic slowdowns almost entirely on its own. The 360-degree camera system offers augmented reality overlays to make parking this giant machine a breeze. It even features an auto-leveling system when parked, so your motorhome stays perfectly balanced even on uneven ground. Mercedes really thought of everything. Of course, luxury comes with a price tag, and the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome sits comfortably in that ultra-premium range. The base model starts at around $1.2 million, but depending on your customization, which includes dozens of interior themes, tech packages, and personal branding options, the price can easily reach $1.8 million or more. But honestly, if you're shopping in this category, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're investing in a lifestyle, one that says comfort, sophistication, and adventure can all coexist without compromise. And that's exactly what makes this Mercedes motorhome so special. It's not about camping or road tripping the old-fashioned way. It's about transforming travel itself into a luxurious experience, where every mile feels like first class. Whether you're parked on a mountaintop, exploring national parks, or cruising across Europe, this vehicle makes sure you never have to leave behind the elegance of home. You get the best of both worlds, the thrill of freedom and the comfort of luxury. So, what do you think? Has Mercedes just created the ultimate expression of mobile luxury? Personally, I think this is a game changer, a vision of what the future of travel should look like. It's smart, sustainable, incredibly refined, and above all, it's unmistakably Mercedes. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more deep dives into the world of next-generation motorhomes and luxury vehicles, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Trust me, we've got some amazing reviews coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.